Ready to ditch the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle? Let's unlock your financial freedom with smart investing. Next, diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, spread your investments. Consider low-cost index funds or ETFs for a simple, diversified start. Research companies before investing, know where your money goes. Start small. Even a little invested consistently grows over time. Automate your investments, make it effortless, setting up regular contributions. Don't panic sell during market dips, stay the course. Reinvest dividends, they fuel compounding growth. Educate yourself continuously, financial literacy is key. Finally, be patient. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint.